Let's review the brand new curved tin wand by GHD. If you're new to my channel and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal colour specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. In today's film I will be reviewing, trying out and talking about the brand new curved tin wand by GHD. So if you want to hear my thoughts about this wand, what is it like, how does it look and how do you use it, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? A very exciting day for GHD fans or people that are into styling in general, as GHD brought out the brand new curved tin wand, and I've seen it all over social media. I have not used it. I got it and it's sitting in front of me. So you guys, let me present you with GHD curved tin wand. Now you guys, as you can see, it comes in classic GHD packaging, and this wand retails for €159. And let me tell you this about GHD. You may think it's a lot of money, but with GHD you really pay for what you get. And their styling tools last forever. I mean, I have my classic GHD styler for like 10 years and it's perfectly fine. So I mean, it does last you and they are good equipment. So let's open this up and let's see what the fuss is about. Okay, so here it is. It is our classic tin wand. I'm just gonna quickly get it out of the packaging. And voila, you guys, here it is, the very tin wand by GHD. It is absolutely lovely. It is very, very slim. It is a 14mm ceramic barrel. This is a very narrow, small wand that is perfect for creating nice, tight, defined curls or defining natural curls. So if you have naturally curly hair, you can just wand it and define that curl as well. So I mean, it is quite flexible. Now this is something perfect for my hair. I mean, if I want a nice curl, because obviously my hair is short, so this will be good for short hair. So we're going to try it out on my hair and we're going to try it out on long hair as well. We do have the ultra compact PTC technology for optimal 185 degrees Celsius, meaning styling temperature is gonna be delivered consistently throughout the barrel. So if you put cold hair on it, it's not gonna lose its temperature. It's always gonna keep that temperature. So I mean, this is brilliant. Now you guys, we also have extra long barrel, which means it's perfect for long hair, because I mean, you can really wrap long hair around it and just create a nice tight curl. So what do we get in the box? We obviously get a GHD and we do get a glove with it, the heat glove. So I'm going to pop that on my hand and I'm going to plug in the brand new GHD curved tin wand. I'm going to wand my hair very, very quickly. I'm just going to try a few sections and then I'm going to try it out on longer hair. So you guys, let's get wanding. Right, you guys, so what am I going to do is I'm going to press that on, and like that, like any GHD, it heats up quite quickly and turns itself off after 30 minutes of not being used. Now I must say the glove is quite strange to wear. I don't know, it just feels weird. So let's just wand my hair and see how is it gonna look. So I'm just gonna do a variety of curls. I'm gonna do a few this way, a few that way, and we're gonna see if that's gonna work. So I'm gonna pick that up. Obviously we got a sound and voila, I'm just gonna do a few curls. And I must say the barrel does feel quite comfortable in my hand. And we do have a nice kink in it. Now I must say my hair is quite short, so it is quite handy for people with my length of hair that the hair is quite short if they want a kink or so what. Now when I work in the salon, I do not use the glove. I just use my bare hands and I just find the glove a bit uncomfortable at the moment. But sure, it is what it is. It is very handy that the barrel is quite long because you can really maneuver with it, which is quite handy. Right, you guys, I'm not going to do a full head of curls because obviously we just want to see how that works, and most of you do have long hair, so you really want to see how is it going to work on longer hair. But I'm literally just going to play around with it and just pop a few bands in my hair and see how that turns out. Is it the most comfortable thing to use on yourself? Not really, to be honest with you. I think they could have really went and just done tongues with a clamp because you've more control with tongues, I think. I mean, wand is quite handy for long hair and for home use when, like, I like using a wand on a client, but when it comes to using a wand on myself, I just don't think it's that handy. That's just my personal opinion. Now, what do I think about this one so far? I mean, on my hair, I would not be too mad about it. It's still quite hard to use. Like I said, I would definitely prefer if that was a tongue barrel. Am I blown away by it so far? No, I am not. I just don't find it too handy for hair my length, which is a problem. But then me as a hairdresser, I'm much better at doing someone else's hair. Like, I much prefer to be behind the head than doing my own hair, if that makes sense. Right, so how does my hair look? We have a bit of texture. I mean, a done bit of job. Is it the best thing? No. Would I use this again on my hair? No, I probably wouldn't. I do prefer using something like tongs. So you guys, let's try it out on long hair. Now you guys, if you're a regular viewer of mine, you've no stranger to my friend. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna curl hair and we're gonna see how that is gonna work out. So I'm just gonna take fine sections. So I'm taking really fine sections, and I'm just going to start on the side. I'm going to brush that section out first, and we're just going to wand it. So I'm going to put the wand on top, and we're going to see how that's going to turn out. So it's actually quite comfortable using it on long hair, if you ask me personally. So I'm just going to leave that on for a few seconds, and I'm going to let it drop. So I put the barrel on top, and we're getting a nice spiral. So that is quite nice actually, you guys. Look at that. It is quite nice, and the curl does look nice and sturdy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a vertical curl now. And I'm going to put the wand on top, and I'm just going to curl everything down. And you know what's actually handy about the small wand? You can really get the ends nice in it, and they don't look too frizzy like you would with a large wand. I think this would be actually really good to refine curly hair, but we're getting a nice curl, a nice bouncy curl, which is actually a nice size. So this was horizontal and this was vertical. So let's finish this side off, brush it out, and see how that looks. And as we all know, for my length of hair, the GHD thin curl was not really, I mean, it's grand. It added me a bit of texture, but I've seen my hair curlier, and my hair is so straight. So let's just do a few more sections. I'm going to finish this side, and then I'm going to brush it out. Guys, I must say I do like the long barrel on it, because you can really wrap the long hair around it. Because sometimes I find with some wands, especially like the other GHD wand, it's slightly bit shorter, I think, and it's very hard sometimes to get really long hair in it. And I'm doing tight curls and then looser curls. So when I'm doing loosened curls, I'm not leaving it on the hair for as long. So I'm just going to do 2 more sections, and then I'm going to brush it out. Right, you guys, so I finished all my curls. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab my Ibiza brush, and I'm just going to brush that through, and we're going to see how that looks. And don't be afraid to brush out your curls, because I mean, that's what you want. What you think? I mean, we do have a nice bouncy curl in it. It is quite tight. I would definitely need to dress that out. So let's just have a look at her. So I mean, the curl is nice and tight. Am I impressed by it? Not really, to be honest. I mean, it's nice texture, but I wouldn't be a fan of it, really, to be honest. So yeah, let's talk about everything. Right, you guys, so let's talk about the brand new GHD Thin Curl. Now, do I think this is something handy? Yes. Do I think this will be perfect for creating really tight curls? Yes, I do. Would that be perfect for creating and defining natural curls? Yes. However, is it good for short hair? I mean, you've seen it on my own hair. Sometimes with a wand, it's very hard to wrap hair around it unless the hair is a certain length. I find that with my hair, my length, it's nearly easier when you have a barrel and it has a clamp, so like a tongue, and you can just twist it and just leave it in because it holds the ends instead of trying to wrap everything around it. Would that be quite good for using at home? Yeah, because you can literally like put it in front of you if you have long hair and just wrap it around. I do like the long barrel because you can get more hair in it. Now let's look at my model. I mean, it is a nice tight curl and the curl grabbed in really, really well. I mean, it is a nice defined curl, and I feel like if you brush it more, you're going to get more definition. But I mean, we did use a very, very small one. So I mean, we do have nice defined curl, and as you can see, it's nearly giving you that nice Hollywood wave feel to it. But do I think it's something necessarily in everyone's kit? No. Do I prefer the other one by GHD? Yes, I do. I just find the other one is a better size and you can maneuver a lot more with it. Unless you have naturally curly hair or you have really, really straight hair and normal one does not hold the curl, then I would go for this. If you just like a loose, soft wave, just go for the classic GHD curve wand. But other than that, do I think this is a hate but dirt? No, I do not, because it has its pluses, but also is it good for my hair? No. So like I always say, the right product and the right heat tool for the right hair. Anyways guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this film rather interesting, helpful and useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other social media. And of course you guys, please do what? Do take care. Bye.